Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I am back with more I Became a Dog 2. And since I started the series of I Became a Dog 2, I've gotten 4 more subscribers and like a bunch more views and thank you for that. And I am really excited to do this because I've been very busy and haven't been able to record it. And so I figured out what I need to do, but I had to use one of the hints that are in here. Because like pretty much it was just like so crazy because I would have never been able to figure this out. So there is like a lot more to actually do. Where's the hint I did? Yeah, I did this one, but there's actually like a lot more that goes on. And then there's the ending requirements. But yeah, no. I just clicked on another ending. I'll be right back. I don't want to see it. Okay, so I closed the game and went back in and it's fine. I didn't get it. So this is the one I checked and this is the next one I need to do. So you can get a hint from Steven after receiving the request about the potion ingredients from Sony. So that was the thing when Steven said that he used to he would do like the signal and then the dog next door they would throw a frisbee to each other and I never thought that would be important. I thought he was just like thinking about a memory considering he's gonna be stuck in that cage forever. So it tells me to bark twice in a row at the leftmost side of the front yard. So it's kind of like really like detailed. Like I think I kind of remember barking once to the left side of the front yard, but I don't know. So that's what we need to do now. And then there's a hint about the smiling flower, but I just couldn't figure it out. Like I have a plan of just sitting next to the flower and just like watching TV and see if it would just suddenly smile and I could like grab it. And I was like waiting. I was trying to figure it out for like 2 hours and I just couldn't do it. But I got the hint and I know what to do now. And I would have never been able to figure that out. Okay, here we go. Let's do it. Yes, go outside. So I need to bark twice over here. Oh! Isn't this an LP record? Let's take it. That's not a frisbee. That's a record. Hold on a minute. These dogs don't know anything. I thought Steven had an IQ of 30. I thought he knew this stuff. Had an IQ of 30. So proud of it. Guess he's a dog, so yeah. Okay. Some dark music is playing from the turntable. Should I listen to other music? Yes. Okay, cool. New music, not creepy, darkening music. Okay, sure. Cool, appreciated. So did you have anything? Yeah, you still need to... Oh, will this make the flower smile? There it is. It seems like the flower is smiling. Could this be an ingredient for the potion? Let's take it. Yes. Oh, poor flower. Now its head got chopped off. Well, it's a flower. Who cares? Great, you found all the ingredients. Wait for one moment. Poor flower. Flower had emotions. You're just turned into a potion. It's done. I made the healing potion. Potion make me feel young again. I will give you one bottle as I promised. Yes. Now everything starts happening. That means you can use it only once. Keep that in mind. Could this help someone that's passed out? Me? What about me? Could I just like win the game and just forget about the other girl? I forgot her name. Oh, I don't want to. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna turn against my own person. I like being a dog. It's nice. Because I kind of want to see what happens. I feel like this would continue the story much more. It's like 100% would. I want to get like ending 6 because I feel like that's the longest one. Amazing. Mary got up. Yeah, Mary. That potion really helped her. Woof. Huh? What the heck? Woof woof. Why she's barking like a dog? Huh? Isn't this voice? It was here. What I was looking for, the smell. Ugh, why is my head hurting so suddenly? My memories are slowly coming back. Yes, that day he asked me out, but I rejected him and... Okay, so there was 2 human swaps. There's two human dog swaps. So I guess they, like, when they get passed out, they switch bodies with their dogs, because Mary got switched with this dog and she was passed out. And then the other dude took sleeping pills because the bottle was half empty, which means he took sleeping pills, which passed him out, which I got switched with this dog. Yeah, because they passed out when the brick hit the head, and when I woke up, I was a dog. The smell and the voice, I completely remember now. That's Mary. That's me, Mary. What? I can't believe it. That white dog is Mary? So that's why she wasn't able to speak well before? She was just like me? But I can't live as a dog forever. I want to become a human again, ASAP. Do you perhaps know how to become a human again? Yes? No? Kiss? Are you kidding me? I don't believe you. But I don't have any other choice right now. Oh yeah, the kiss, yeah. Let's give it a try. OMG, I'm really back to my original body. That ugly guy did it on purpose. I'm sure he made me pass out and hid me here. I don't have time to sit around. I need to call the police. Oh no. What have I done? No! Darn it. Should I not have told her? Oh, am I gonna get the 5th ending? I don't have any body return. I like being a dog. I will probably be stuck in jail for a long time. This is the price I pay for what I've done to Mary. I don't deserve to become a human again. I'll just live as a dog forever. Ending 3! What? Okay, I think the second one was becoming the leader. But, wow, there's still a 4th and... Okay, no, not a 6th. There's 2 more I could have done, so I should have said no. Oh, man. That's no good. Not what I wanted to happen, but okay. So that's another ending. We got crime and punishment. Yeah, that just happened. Oh, before you start a new game, you may randomly set a new dog language level. Minimum 0, max... Wait, what? I can change what my dog level starts at? What? Oh, if I watch an ad, I can change what my... I'm just going to play this because I have nothing else to do. If, now that I've got this ending, I can change what my dog level starts at. That'd be so easier because then I could just immediately talk to everyone. Okay. Is this gonna end ever? Please. Just watching these colors go by. Keep playing. Try more fun levels. Maybe one day. Not right now. Come on. Work. Thank you. Oh. Start at 18, whatever. I already have the dog food. I'll eat it super fast. I'll get up there. Yeah. We've seen this now lots of times. Go check it out. Is he sleeping? Why am I still here? Can you just end? Click this. The wall opens. You know, how do you build this house? My character must be like amazing at like rich. Huh. Okay, so you here, I got bugs for you. Would you like 20,000 bugs? Yes. Here you go. I have 30,000. You know, just 30,000, not that much. I have so many bugs. 31,000, even better. Okay, grab you. Got my seat number 1. I mean, I can do this really quickly now because I know exactly what to do. But that's annoying. Man, okay, so next time I should not tell her how. Okay, I can already open up the box and get the dynamite. Got the dynamite again. But now I think I can evolve my abilities even farther. Yes. So now they all go up to 8. So now I can make so many more bugs. Oh my gosh, I already need more bugs. How much do I have? I need to check. Only 4,000. Oh man. Okay. Let's go talk to everyone, get things started up. Jackie, hello, I failed again. Yes, you did. You, Steven. Okay. Boss. Hey, you get off the boss. You don't deserve to get close to him. Bark. Talk to. Why are you wandering around in front of me? Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Eat some food. Not much, though. There's a fish in here. Finish eating already. You guys are so slow compared to me. Okay. I need to get more bugs. Hey there, friend. You. Hello. You don't say anything yet. Yep. And bark. And eat it all. It's all for me. I want it all. Level 19. Go over here. Eat it all again. Okay. You know, Steven, I hate you. We're all gonna get dog food except for you. Well, I'm gonna get all the dog food. Kind of poison everyone. No, eat it. I eat so fast. Okay. So, do you have anything more to say? Hey, blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Do you say no? Huh? She can't speak. You. Hello. Okay. Weedly. Do 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 do. Do. This is just the same thing, and I don't know what to do. I'm just singing a random song, waiting for me to start doing things. Can you give me a job? I'll help you out. You know, I'm gonna make sure I only poison Jackie. I mean, Steven, not Jackie. Jackie's my friend. He's helping. Steven doesn't deserve anything. I don't trust him. Okay, I can't help you yet. Jackie, do you have anything to say? You still say ugh. Okay, I need him to start talking. I need you to do the things so I can find the centipede. Door locked. You have 31,000 on it. You don't need it anymore. Anything I missed? I don't think so. I think I'm good. I just need to talk to everyone. Okay, can I get in here? Nope. And can I talk to you now? Will you give me the thing to do the centipede? Why? Okay, eat. Let me eat it all. I want to know. Okay, eat this. Eat this. Okay. So do you say anything? I don't think I can dig this all. Hey friend, do you have any better ideas? I think I need some tools. And then you're gonna say this. Yes. Doodly doo doo doodly. Yes. Hey centipede. Where are you? I'm really fast. I can catch you. Where is it? Oh, I see it. Oh man, I missed it. Come on, centipede. Where you at? Where's the centipede? Why can't I find it? Usually I can find it like first try every time. Now I can't see it anywhere. Centipede! Would you show up if I just stand here? Oh yes, there it is. Okay, get it. Yes! Whew! Man, it's so much harder that time. Okay, yes, got it. You're welcome. Now, let me go outside. Yep, okay. Bye. Sad flower. Number 2. Okay. Yep, this is the thing. This, okay. Got the shovel. Let's get some more bugs. Okay, I'll help you eat faster because you guys are so slow. takes you years to eat one thing, and I just like eat it all in like 2 seconds. Okay. Here, yes, got shovel. Eat it, use it. Not eat it, use it. Okay. Here, do you have anything more to say no to? Okay, bark. Boss, you don't say anything, okay. I'll help you eat this, because I'm the fastest. Okay. All done. So then... okay, you can talk to Jackie, right? Yep. I can understand the context. Okay, we need to eat some more. Level up again. Talk to Jackie. Okay, we good. Okay, so then I come to you. Look at boss. He keeps eating all the dog food. There's already too much food. Blah, blah, blah. No one cares. His injuries are getting worse. I'm going to help him out. Okay, I need you to give me the thing. Okay, do you see anything new yet? I smell. There is no door. Okay, then I need to do all that to help him. Oh, man. I mean, I'm kind of fine with the ending I got. Because it's not like an ending where, you know, I get killed by boss or whatever. But, yeah. Not what I wanted. I wanted the last one. Because the last one's probably the best one. Man, this game is very hard to get the good endings. Oh, man. Okay. It's all good, though. Level up my talking skill. Everything will be fine. Oh, I'm gonna get all of this food now. Get this one, too. I eat so much so fast. And then I get some of this. Okay, now I can talk to you. Okay. Sam, yes. Ugh, I'm so tired. Is there any wolves? Catch me 100 bugs? Yep, got you covered, dude. Got the key stuck on the rocks. Now I go talk to boss. Go over here, I bark. Talk to boss. Yes. Oh, I get to do that again. Oh, why? Okay. Sir, I need you to do something for me. Yes. I need a 4th plate. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Speed. Thank you. Eat faster. No. Okay, I need to eat faster. No, leave. Notifications. Okay, bark. So there's like a million plates. One for each person. I'm gonna go over here, bark. I mean, not bark, but poison fart. Okay, do this. He gets like all that to himself except for when I come over. Stay away from my food. Ooh, now I get yours too, thanks. Go poison fart you. Stupid Steven. I'm gonna run up there just so I can poison fart him, because he just doesn't deserve it. Okay, good. Now I go up here and I talk to you. Is that candy? Can I taste it? Yes. If you can't, sure. Nom 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 crunch crunch nom nom crunch crunch. And then you give it to me. Yes. Okay, take the key. What's happening? Dad's calling me. I'll be right back.